Do you want to know your level of English?
Great, because we've got a fun way to help you do just that.
We're going to tell you a story,
The story itself will stay the same.
but the English we use will change depending on the level.
At the beginner level, the language will be simple and slow.
And towards the end, it will be more difficult and faster.
Your task? Just listen and see how much you understand.
As soon as the story becomes too difficult to follow, you know that the level before is your level.
Watch until the very end of the video for a special bonus level.
Sounds good?
Let's begin. I have a girlfriend. Her name is Anna. She is very nice, but I don't love her. I want to break up with her, but I don't know how. I feel bad. I don't want to hurt her. Every day I say I will do it today, but then I say, no, not today. We go to the cinema. We go to the park. She smiles. She holds my hand. I say nothing. One day, we go to a restaurant. She is happy. I feel nervous. I think I will tell her after dinner. After dinner, she stands up. She walks to me. She goes down on one knee. Will you marry me? She says. I look at her. I don't speak. I don't know what to say.
I have a girlfriend called Anna. She's a lovely person, but I don't love her anymore. I want to break up with her, but it's difficult. I feel bad and I don't want to make her sad. Every day, I tell myself, today is the day. But when I see her smile, I change my mind. We spend time together. We go out. We talk. We laugh. I keep waiting for the right moment, but it never comes. One evening, we're having dinner in a restaurant. She's very happy. I'm feeling nervous and thinking I will tell her after dinner. But after we eat, something unexpected happens. She stands up, walks to my side of the table and gets down on one knee. Will you marry me? She asks. I can't believe it. I was going to end the relationship and now she's asking me to marry her.
I've been dating Anna for about a year. She's kind, funny, and always supports me. But the truth is, I've fallen out of love. I've been thinking about ending things for a while now, but I haven't had the courage to do it. Every time I plan to tell her, I stop myself. I don't want to hurt her. I know she really cares about me. We still go out and have fun, and for a moment everything feels like it's okay, but deep down, I know it's not. Then, one evening, we go out for dinner. She's in a great mood, laughing and talking about future holidays. I sit there feeling awful. I'll tell her after the meal, I think. But when dinner ends, she stands up, walks over, and suddenly she gets down on one knee. Will you marry me? She says. I'm completely speechless.
Anna and I have been together for over a year. She's warm, caring, and she always sees the best in me. But recently, I've realized I'm not in love with her anymore. I've been thinking about breaking up with her for weeks. I can't keep putting it off. I tell myself I'll do it tomorrow or the next time we'll meet. But every time we're together, I lose my nerve. I smile, make small talk, go through the motions, pretending everything is okay. Then one evening, we're at this cozy little restaurant. She's glowing, talking about moving in together. I feel sick with guilt. I'll end it after dessert, I think. But as I'm preparing myself, she suddenly gets up and walks over to my side and drops down onto one knee. Will you marry me? She asks, full of hope. I just sit there, frozen.
I've been meaning to break up with Anna for ages, but I keep bottling it. She hasn't done anything wrong. She's lovely, really. But I've fallen out of love and staying together just doesn't feel right anymore. Every time I try to bring it up, the words get stuck. We'll be out having a nice time, and suddenly it feels impossible to ruin the moment. So I put it off again and again, convincing myself that I'll do it next time. Then one night we're having dinner at this romantic little place that she loves. She's glowing, full of plans for the future, while I'm barely holding it together. Come on, I tell myself, just be honest. But before I can say a word, she stands up, walks around the table, and gets down on one knee. Will you marry me? She says. I stare at her, my heart pounding. You couldn't write this.
There are conversations you have 100 times in your head and you still never actually manage to have them. Ending things with Anna was one of them. She was everything one could hope for in a partner. Kind, thoughtful, endlessly patient. But I knew, with growing certainty, that I was no longer in love with her. The guilt was paralyzing. Every time I resolved to tell her, I found myself derailed by her optimism, her affection, her effortless warmth. This right moment never came. Or maybe I didn't let it. One evening, we sat across from each other in a softly lit restaurant. She talked of shared futures while I searched for words that would wound her. I promised myself I'd speak after dessert, but scarcely had I drawn breath when she stood, circled the table, and dropped to one knee. Will you marry me? Never had silence screamed so loudly. I've got a bird called Anna. I've been meaning to sack her off for ages, but I just can't seem to do it. I get up every morning and I tell myself, I'll do it today, but then I just chicken out. Like the other day, we went out to stretch our legs, you know, after a long day of rotting away on the sofa. We were going past the park and she actually stopped and was like, I can't wait to grow old with you. And I was like, yeah, same. I didn't have a clue what to say, to be honest, mate. Maybe I should just grow a pair and tell her. But it's so tough now because she got down on one knee and was like, will you marry me? I was absolutely gobsmacked. So, hopefully now, through that story, using the same context, but increasing the difficulty with speed and vocabulary and grammar, you have a better understanding of what your level of English is. And of course, I hope you enjoyed the bonus round, the native British bonus round. If you want to better understand the vocabulary that we used in the video, there's a link below in the description, and there you can go and download the transcript to this video. Anyway, don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll see you next time.